Koalas share a secret with humans, our fingerprints. Under a microscope, their prints look almost identical to ours, with whorls and loops so similar that even forensic experts can be fooled. This rare coincidence is called convergent evolution, where nature repeats a design that works. For koalas, fingerprints help them grip eucalyptus branches firmly as they climb and feed. Hidden among the trees of Australia, they carry a human-like trait most people never notice. It's proof that life sometimes reuses its best ideas. In every tiny ridge lies a curious connection between humans and wildlife. Subscribe for more strange similarities between humans and the wild.